Hello everyone, this is the start of the second week of the year. Okay, we are at the beginning of the week. The beginning of the week means the beginning of some money.
All right, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay, you see what I do at Richard Town? I've been telling y'all that a long time ago. Y'all see my customer, she having the time. Real people gonna give her a good deal. You know that's what I.
So this is the trunk bed audio.
All right, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay, y'all I had to switch it up. All right, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay, let me tell y'all something. I'm doing something real big this month. Any deal that y'all got and they beating us, I'm gonna beat about $400. Just give me your pen and the paper, cause I'm at what the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
And yes, today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a new development that I just found. And excuse my voice, you guys, I don't know, it's going away for some reason. It's going away, so just don't mind that. But I just wanted to jump on camera really quick and show you guys a new gem that I have recently found and that is currently hiring right now at this very moment. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money. I specialize in videos on lifestyle, but most importantly, I'll show you how to live your best budget-friendly life. Okay, that's what we do on this channel. You know, we get you all the way right on money-making apps, money-making tips, how to live your life and squeeze that dollar. Okay, we trying to squeeze that dollar and multiply that dollar into multiple dollars. That's what we do on this channel. So be sure to subscribe if you like content like that. Also follow me on my social media. It will be somewhere linked in the screen or somewhere down below as well too. And also the information that will be mentioned in this video will be in the description bar, so make sure you check that out as well too. So now that we got my intro out of the way, y'all know I have to do my intro, okay? So don't mind me. Now that we got the intro out of the way, let's get into this website that is currently hiring, okay? Currently hiring us to be on social media. Yeah, okay, this website is offering multiple jobs when it comes to social media, watching TikTok videos, whatever the case may be. They are currently actively hiring right now at this moment. They have renewed a bunch of jobs within the last hour of today, so I wanted to go ahead and get this out to you guys before it actually picks up and becomes way too popular and the jobs won't be offered anymore. So the website that I'm actually talking about is called Upwork.com. It will be somewhere in the screen. It will be also linked down below. Yes, Upwork.com is actually hiring freelancers, and anybody that is a freelancer, anybody, like I said in my multiple videos, if you have watched me, can be a freelancer. So you're a freelancer watching me, yes, you right now, okay? You can get paid to be watching TikTok videos. You can be paid to be a social media manager. There are a bunch of jobs that are in the social media industry that are being offered on Upworks.com right at this moment. Okay, you guys, so let's break down what the requirements are. So Upworks is actually a social media agency that is hiring people that are in the social media industry, that work in the social media industry, or even if you don't, they are an agency that basically hires you to just do social media marketing jobs. So their agency, from what I was seeing, is based in Canada and also in the USA. So there is an age range from 18 upwards to around 50 years old. Okay, so that is a humongous gap. So if you are in that gap of age range, you can definitely apply to do these jobs. And I always say, even if you don't feel like you can qualify, just apply, because you never know, they may be that desperate and they may be wanting to hire you, that they will be wanting you to participate in a study that will have you research information that has to do with social media, maybe even a poll that you could possibly participate in. That's why they're having the age range be so far off. It's worth it. It's absolutely free to sign up and apply, so why not just do it? You never know, take a gamble, and you could be the one that they actually do hire. You also have to be able to offer 5 to 10 hours per week to be able to work this job. And I was also seeing upwards to part-time and full-time positions being being offered. Okay, you guys, so this is really awesome for social media being your full-time job. Why not apply? Okay, if you're a freelancer right now looking for work, this is where you would put on your listening ears and actually apply to this. Minimum is 5 to 10 hours per week, and they are willing to go up every 2 months. So the increments will increase every 2 months. If you keep doing a good job, they will increase your hours. So I think that's pretty good to be starting out. 5 to 10 hours per week to be able to work on social media. I think that's a pretty good deal to start. And also, basically, Upworks is asking you to create content. So maybe you may have to be able to create content on TikTok, Instagram, social media platforms. You have to be proficient in what you're doing. And like I said in my multiple videos, us young people especially, okay, us millennials spend all of our time on social media. So this should not be an issue for us when it comes to social media and everything like that. But also, I want you guys to also push yourselves to a further boundary and actually figure out social media on the marketing end. So if you do own a business or small business, you may already be proficient in this, but if you do not, definitely figure out the ins and outs about social media marketing, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing, whatever people do that can actually sell and kind of promote their business. That's what you kind of want to know, those skills in the back end. So if they ask you to create content, you will already be proficient in creating content and knowing how that back end works. So that's just one little pro tip to get you ahead of the game. Make sure you research not only just being on Instagram, but actually research how people use these platforms to boost their businesses. So you actually want to do the research on the back end, on the business side of it. Kind of just watch, and you don't really have to do too much research. Just kind of go on Instagram, especially makes it super easy for you to actually be able to see, because there's an actual shopping little icon when you go to the explore page now. You can actually click the little shopping bag that has to do with businesses, and you can kind of see different types of ways that businesses market their brand just on Instagram. So Instagram makes it very easy for you to do some market research. So I think that's a little pro tip for you guys. If you guys are really serious about getting into the social media marketing agency, you definitely want to have some research underneath your belt to get you ahead of the game. One thing that I also noticed on the Upworks websites is that they're hiring people on different levels. Okay, you guys, so intermediate, entry, like there was a bunch of different levels that they are hiring people on. So you definitely want to check that out. If you meet any of those levels, you definitely want to apply. And like I said before, even if you don't apply anyways, because if they're urgently hiring and they need people to work in the agency or they need people to work in a certain business, they are super desperate, they will train you guys. So definitely just apply. Even if you do, I would just apply anyways. I applied myself as well too. I shot my shot and let's see what happens, but definitely apply. I also was seeing for the rates of pay, there are a lot of fixed rates. So fixed income or fixed rates just means that they will give you a time frame of where you would be working. So maybe from 2 to 6 months, they will offer you a certain amount of money, and that's how much they are paying you for that time frame. But either way, this is a great way to just make some side money, some side hustle. Or even if you just want to take this serious and take it on the full-time aspect of things, there are a ton of options being offered on this website. They have a ton of options that are being offered to you guys on every different level and on every different part of social media. So you definitely want to check this out. This, like I said, has just been renewed in the past hour of a bunch of different social media jobs. You will see if you're actually interested in getting to the social media industry, and also do some research on the actual website and actual agency itself. Definitely look up Upworks, look at the reviews, look at whatever is being offered online. Definitely do your own key market research, because like I said before, I bring you guys the information, but it's up to you to do the research. Do your research, okay, you guys? So definitely check it out, see if it's good for you. But I just wanted to drop this little gem. I have this one for you, so definitely get on it and definitely apply it. Okay, you guys, apply. So yes, that's it for today's video. Super quick, super easy, and I'm actually gonna show you guys on the website a screen record of the website so you guys can actually see how it works and what is being offered, so you guys can kind of see it for yourself. So let's get into that part, and if I don't return back, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, hey y'all, I actually wanted to do a little voiceover to actually show you guys how the Upworks website works. So basically when you log on, as you can see, it says Upworks. The first thing you see is that they're offering jobs for TikTok and Instagram. Okay, you guys. So I think that's super dope that they're offering a bunch of different jobs. As you guys can see, Facebook ad specialist, product launch, and these are a bunch of companies that are going to Upworks looking for employees to do tasks for them. So I think that's super dope. You can go down the list, and as you guys can see, a lot of these jobs have been renewed in the last hour or so, or in the last day. So you definitely want to jump on these tasks. Some of them are fixed rate. As you guys can see, this is $20 to do that task, but I mean $20 to be on Instagram, you cannot beat that. And some of them range from one task, and some of them range for a few months. Some of them are offered as full-time and part-time tasks. So you definitely want to go ahead and check this out, you guys. You don't want to pass this up, because this would be a great way to make some extra cash on the side, or actually score a full-time job doing something that you actually enjoy doing. So I think it's super dope. Go ahead and go ahead and check out Upworks. You definitely want to go ahead and check this out. There's a bunch of different jobs being offered, like I said, coming down from TikTok, Snapchat, any type of social media is being offered. It's very well versed, and like I said, the age range is pretty well versed, from 18 to 50 years old. I think that's pretty crazy. So that means literally anybody can do any of these jobs. So you definitely want to go ahead and check this out, you guys. And yes, like I said, very easy. It's upworks.com. And yeah, you guys, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one.